How to add font in Capcut. Open the Capcut. Import the video. Go to Google web browser. Search for the font. Select the font, download font. Here comes the fonts. Select any of the font style from here. I selected curly. Select any of the font style. Click on Download. I usually use IDM, downloaded with this. Once downloaded, open folder. Select the font, click on it, open the file. Here is the fonts you can see. Click on Install. Once installed, close the files, go to Capcut. Now close the Capcut app. And now open it again. Open your project. Click on Text. Go to Fonts. On Fonts, click on System Fonts and search for your font. When you find it, use it. Here is your custom font, you can use it. That is how you can add custom fonts in Capcut. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.